What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I want to try something new today and do a clothing review. I just got this hoodie from one of my favorite brands, Represent Clothing. They make a lot of dope shit. I'm actually wearing their pants right now, so it's only right. I decided I want to do this review because the hoodie that I got, I do like it a lot. I just didn't think it was gonna feel the way it felt. And I want to kind of share that with y'all in case, you know, one of y'all want to buy this hoodie too. It's a popular hoodie, man. It's a good hoodie. But this is the hoodie right here. It's the Hellraiser black vintagey kind of hoodie. You see him. You see him. It's pretty cool, man. It's got this like dog with the serpent thing. It's pretty dope. These cool hoodie strings. The only complaint that I have with the hoodie, it might just be because I thought it was going to be something that it's not. It's very, very light and thin. I thought it was going to be a lot thicker and like heavier. From the pictures, I guess it just looked that way to me. Now that I have it on me, I kind of feel like they were just going strictly for that vintage, like almost band t-shirt kind of feel. I like the hoodie regardless. It is a little pricey to be this thin. It was like $230, but I don't know. I like it. I think it looks cool. While we're on the subject of clothes, shout out to my boy Chris Reed for the I Wear AJ1's everyday hat, Yankee fitted. I don't even like fitteds, but the shit was so fire that I had to cop. I'm gonna leave his Instagram in the description in case you want to cop too. I think you should. But getting back to this hoodie, I like the hoodie a lot. I don't know, man. Represent is one of those brands for me that their fits. Like the shape of this hoodie, I like the shape. I maybe should have got an extra large so it could be a little more oversized. I kind of want it to be longer, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just complaining. It looks pretty great to me. I think it feels great on me. Goes well with these pants too. These pants go crazy. But I like the hoodie. I would rate it like an 8.5 out of 10. If it was like a little bit heavier, would have been spot on perfect. But it's a good hoodie. It's a good hoodie. Represent actually also has one of my favorite shoes that came out this year. I'm gonna do a video of my favorite shoes, so subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna do more of these. I'm gonna do more of these videos, so subscribe if you like this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Think we're looking good. Think we're looking swell, feel me? Fly, fresh, pull a gold chain out, feel me? You know, you feel me?